What's up guys, Baby50 here, back with another cooking, baking, and more video. Today we're going to be doing some baking. As you can tell, we have baking style ingredients. So what we're going to be doing is making a basic ass cake, alright? This is going to be a two-part video, right? So keep along. We're going to be shooting this, we're going to have another video out, we don't know what day. Just look for the announcements, the reminder videos, things like that. And let's get to it, okay? So today we have heavy whipping cream, vanilla extract, salt, sugar, eggs, butter, flour, baking soda, right? We have the classic mixer type of thing. You could use whatever you like. Let me know in the comments below if you follow along with this recipe. So let's get to it. It's gonna be interesting, all right? All right, so we're gonna get deep into this cake, all right? And you know CBM likes it deep, all right? So let's just be honest here. I don't usually bake cakes, all right? I usually eat the cake. I don't bake the cake. You know what I mean? All right, so if I'm doing this wrong, fuck it, you'll see why. You'll see, watch the end of the video. So this is gonna be a cup of white sugar. Boom, cup of white sugar. Hell yeah, we love that. And then it says half a cup of butter. We're just gonna put butter in here, okay? That's butter, that looks about a half a cup, done. Who fucked with the butter, by the way? All right, 2 large eggs. Sick, large eggs. If you see me looking down, mind your fucking business, all right? I don't bake cakes. I do crack eggs with one hand and make a huge mess. Cool, boom. Look at that. Egg done, 1 done. 2. You should probably like not make a cake this way. There's a straight shell in there, boys. So whoever gets that, gross. You're supposed to like blend the eggs and the sugar together and make a thing, and you could separate them, and we're not doing that tonight. We're just throwing a bunch of shit in a bowl and mixing it together and hope it comes out good. All right, we got 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Put that in the bowl, type shit. All right, cool. What's next? All-purpose flour. This is 1.5 cups all-purpose flour. Sick, dope. You got that going, boom. We should probably be mixing this while we do it, but hey. What is that? 1 3/4 cups baking soda. And that was totally baking soda. All right, and last thing is milk. Fuck it, you know. But we're using old whipping cream from the last video. Half cup. That looks about right. Cool. All right. So we got all the ingredients in here. This is all you need. Put this bad boy down. Lock it in. Hope for the best. Hopefully this doesn't go everywhere. Start slow. Right. You want to look for like a, I don't know, pancake mix type of consistency, I think. Some people believe in clumps or whatever in the thing, and with it, I don't know. This looks dummy thick, and you know CBM likes it dummy thick, right, cameraman? All right, fuck me then, cameraman. That's cool. Love it. Yeah. All right, so it's gonna be a shorter video. Okay, we're gonna let that mix and combobulate and things. We're trying to quote stuff, words. I'm gonna wipe my hands off because there's egg. But yeah, that's basically it. Let's be honest here. You just mix it together. Sure, there's a proper way to do it. I'm not a baker, dude. I know I have a cooking show that's cooking, baking, and more. I'm not really trying to focus on the baking, but I gotta do it every now and then. That looks really well combobulated. No, it doesn't look really well combobulated. That's cool. You can't even see it. So we're gonna turn that off, okay? And hey, you know, we're gonna put this in the oven, right? I'm gonna look up how hot it should be, and we need to preheat that oven. So, we'll see in a little bit.
What's up, guys? What's up, guys? This is Sam. This is our list of sponsors for today's video. First off, we're sponsored by NestleDecal.co. If you guys want any decals from the shop, any Instagram tags or custom plates, go to his website, NestleDecal.com. Speaking of that, our new Demon Time collection just dropped. If you guys want to pre-order the shirt and also get the decal, please check it out. It'll be up here. Second of all, we got steezy.md on Instagram. If you guys want photography, if you guys want any prices or based on packages, check it out. Third of all, we got Lux_Customs. If you guys want star lights installed interior wise, make sure to hit them up on Instagram at Lux_Customs. And that's it for today's video, guys.
All right, so, we preheated the oven, okay? It's gonna be 350 degrees Fahrenheit. You're gonna need to get a 9-inch cake pan. All right, which we have. We totally have a 9-inch cake pan, so that's cool. I like to get a little spatula type of thing. You wanna scrape the sides of the bowl, make sure you get all the seasonings and everything you added into this cake mix. And what you wanna do is just basically pour it into the pan. All right, this is literally the consistency you're looking for. Like I said earlier, some people like their cake batter chunky. This cake batter is really chunky. Don't know exactly why. We'll see how it comes. We'll see how it comes out. We'll have Gavin, our Marine friend, board member of the club, try this, see how he likes it, and just get his opinion. But yeah, 9-inch cake pan, and we're gonna get all of this out real fast. Put this in the sink. And then you want to just, it's in there, okay? And you're going to put it in there for 30 to 40 minutes, all right? We're not going to do any fancy shots for this one because, so that's in there, right? And hey, now we're just going to sit here for 30, 40 minutes because, the producer, like I've been saying, won't let me do anything else but this show, So we don't have a cake ready. So I'm just gonna stand here 30, 40 minutes. Should we just keep the full 30 minutes in, or? Just kidding, breaking the fourth wall. And hey, come back, we'll have a cake ready. It's gonna be exciting, it's gonna be fun. We're gonna have him try it. He's gonna be in the shot. He has his belly out. Just, all right, but hey, come back, stay tuned. All right, guys, so that's been baking for 30 minutes or so. Let's see how it goes. We're gonna bring it out. We're gonna have Gavin come and try it, things like that. It's gonna be great. I hope it's gonna come out and turn out well. But yeah, let's go get that cake. Oh, thank you. So here it is, finalized cake. Looks beautiful. Obviously, like we said earlier in the video, that cake rises. It gets bigger, things like that. We already frosted it because we're not making homemade frosting here. Let's just be honest here. So yeah, there's our cake. So we're gonna cut it and have our Marine friend try it. Don't know why there's a steak knife in this drawer, but it's cool. It's alright. So yeah, if you don't know how to cut a cake, this is how you cut a cake. You get a knife. You could get a cake knife, I guess. And we're gonna just give him a little sliver. We have no plates, so he's gonna raw dog this one. Man, this cake's super hard and cold for some reason. Not exactly sure why. Just a little sliver. Jesus Christ, that's hard as cake. Hard ass cake. All right, well, Gavin, come on in. Let's try this cake. Let's get it going. Here's your sliver. This wasn't planned. We should have let the cake out. To be honest, we should have let it warm up a little bit. Okay, fuck it. Okay. Here you go, buddy. There you go. Good chocolate. Oh, I'll feed it to you. Yeah, that's right. That's right. How you like my cake? First time eating my cake? Okay, and I guess the cake's good. I guess. So yeah, that's how you make cake. Things like that. Let me know in the comments below if you followed this recipe, if you like it. Oh, I came back for more of my cake. Up, higher, higher. You gotta want it. There you go. Good boy. You know, they're just homies helping homies, you know what I'm saying? Hey, little one, you want some cake? That was damn. We just okay, let's break the fourth wall. You know, like we got a midget, okay? With Club Juice, we pay a midget hourly rate to sit here and hand me things. This is the first episode, and I'm digging it. Right? If you're digging it, yeah, put your hand there. See, there it is. There's that midget. Instagram details will be in the bio or the caption below this video. But yeah, let me know how you guys like this. I'm Wavy50. This is my cake. If you like it, let me know. Just send me a message personally, see me in person, and be like, hey, I love your cake, right? That's just, hey, we're watching another movie. So, I think we're watching Terrifier 1, 2, and 3. If you know, you know. Shoutouts to you, whoever, I don't fucking know. So we're watching another movie tonight. It's CBM movie night. We got cake. We got pumpkins.
We got midgets.
We got a midget. Which is, he's getting up. What time is it? He has 10 minutes left. He has, oh, sorry, that's 3:50. It's still 3:50. I didn't turn the oven off. All right, what's up, guys? Wavy50, we're back. This video's not done, okay? Clearly, here's the cake that we made. We baked. We didn't have a 9-inch sheet pan or whatever, anything, cake pan, so we did it in this. Just do it the right way, okay? We do have our Marine Gavin. So Gavin, you want to come in? We're gonna do a taste test of 2 different cakes in this bowl. I made them bite size for him. So Gavin, we need your true honesty for this, okay? All right, can you see? No, okay. All right, Gavin, this is Gavin. Instagram will be right here. That's my phone, all right. So you guys ready at home? You ready, Gavin? All right, they're cool this time. I didn't make them hot, okay? So open your mouth big and wide. Fuck. Oh, there's also icing on them, just so, in this case it's bad, it'll at least kind of be good. So, all right. Is that good or 1 to 10?
That's my favorite.
Don't lie.
You can't lie. 1 to 10.
It's fucking
Well, finish it, I guess, or whatever you need to do. We have one more just to have the equivalency.
You okay? You did.
Yo, right? It's not that bad. It's just that the pan wasn't as good. He's blindfolded on his mouth. You just spit it on the trash can. Well, I guess that one wasn't that good. You know what I'm saying? You know, if you tried to make this at home, send us your reaction.
It's really that bad?
Is you okay?
Why is it so bad?
Taste it. Someone taste it.
No.
Taste it. I'll have them taste.
All right, taste it.
I did.
You did?
It wasn't horrible.
Oh, it was like salty.
Okay.
Or the frosting or something.
Oh, frosting or something. Okay, here's the last piece of cake. You're good?
Tastes like fish.
So I'll make sure you're good. I'm right here. Okay, you good? Tastes like fish. You know CBM likes to taste the fish.
Oh, fuck.
You said it.
I love the ice.
Alright, so here's the second equivalency test. Here you go. You good? You open? Tuck your tongue in. How's that one? That one better or worse? 1 to 10?
Good. Is this the same one? Is this the same one, huh? You're an asshole. Aftertaste.
You okay, Gavin?
You good?
Nope.
Oh, here's some water. Oh wait, that's vodka. No, you freaked out for a second. You got you for a
I
second.
love alcohol.
There you go. All right. We just have vodka in a Gatorade bottle. All right, so you can take your blindfold off and things now.
Oh, shit.
Yeah. All right. So, for this thing is great.
Oh,
Shit. Just beep. All right. You want to smell the cake?
no, I'm good.
Okay.
Just give it a smell. Give it a whiff.
Give it a little whiff.
It smells good. But it don't taste good.
Okay. So everyone, if you had to pick one or two, which one would it be? Neither. You heard it here first, folks. That's Wavy 5-O's cake.
Do you want to explain what's in that cake for Gavin?
Do you want to know what's in this cake, Evan?
Is it not a normal cake?
No.
What the fuck?
No. Yeah. So we added granulated onion, garlic, a shit ton of cayenne pepper, red chili flakes. I'm pretty sure the whole milk was bad. I mean, it was gonna be cooked, so it's like, okay, it'd just be cheese.
I don't think that.
We'll see. It's at like 10, 15. And then the frosting, I also put granulated onion, a lot of salt, black pepper, and garlic as well.
Okay, I was like, there's hints of garlic in this cake. And like ginger. I feel
No
like
ginger.
No ginger.
No ginger.
Well, I taste ginger. And
Well, hey, that's
it's burning my mouth.
hey, if you're ginger, shout out gingers. Shout out to the other thing that's spelled the same. Okay, we're gonna need to cut that one. That one we need to cut that one. Hey, if you heard it at home, that's cool. Again, real ending now. This is the cake. We were fucking around. Okay, it's Halloween season. We're not gonna eat this. This is actually really gross. And
Take a bite.
I have gum.
There you go.
Can I complain? Oh God. Oh fuck. Whoa.
Motherfuckers.
I don't know how you did that twice. Let's be honest. Oh, it's all spicy.
Yeah.
Ugh, I didn't think that was actually gonna come through.
Oh my god.
Oh, so yes, this is the end of the video. Make sure everything I said before in the fake ending, do all that shit. TikTok, Twitter, fucking Facebook, all the fucking shit. If you enjoyed this video, please just give us a like, send it to your friends, your family, your cousin, that weird uncle that you have at Christmas. Don't make this at home, okay? It's a joke. You thought it was a baking episode? It's actually a more episode. Joke's on you guys. But I'm waiting for I'll see you later. I'm busy. Gotta watch Terrifier. Stop following me. There's throw up over here. It's good. See you later, guys. Guys, alright, stop.